package delivery.
I need your signature right here.
Pizza delivery.
Cleaning service.
Visitor from space.
Just walking by.
Hello.
Anybody home?
Give me some.
Konnichiwa.
What's up?
Come on, Dad. Hurry. I want to grow big again.
Pizza delivery.
Cleaning service.
Visitor from space.
Just walking by.
Hello.
Anybody home?
Give me some.
Konnichiwa.
What's up?
Just walking by.
Hello.
Anybody home?
Give me some.
Konnichiwa.
What's up? Hello.
Anybody home? Konnichiwa. What's up?
Hello.
Anybody home? Konnichiwa. What's up?
Visit the office.
From space.
Maybe we should go down now?
Small and worthless. That's what you guys are. You keep shouting, you want to grow big. You want to grow big. Do you really understand the meaning of big?
Who's that? Don't know, but he'll probably help us get big.
You see, you are very small. Your very existence is tiny, 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 tiny.
Ah, where's Parappa? I hope he likes this new shirt that I got him. It might be a little bit too big for him, but...
Sonny! Hey, Sonny!
I can't believe he didn't show up.
Sonny! I like this shirt. It's perfect.
But to become big, you can't just follow the rules. You must create your own groove. Groove on, because that's the only way to grow.
Yeah, I know. I gotta believe!
Kissy the Katy cat will be swimsuit.